guys, and welcome to Cooking with Karma. Now this week I'm sharing with you some delicious desserts that can be made in the microwave. Starting off the week with this absolutely divine microwave cheesecake. Now this recipe was given to me by the lovely Maureen, whose house I rented for the past couple of weeks, and after looking at the recipe gave it a bit of a tweak and it came out just perfect. So I really hope you like it. Let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. So the first thing we need to do is blitz our biscuits. Now if you don't have a food processor, all you need to do is pop them in a Ziploc bag and give them a good bashing. To that we're then going to add in our melted butter. Now I like to add about 3/4 of it, give that a good mix through. Then if it needs the rest, add that in and give it one final mix. The mixture should stick together when pressed down firmly. We're then going to pour that into our pre-lined springform pan. Then with something like a cup, we're going to press down firmly till it evenly covers the bottom and the sides. Then we're going to pop that into the fridge for about 20 minutes. Next, into a microwave safe bowl, we're going to add in the yogurt. For this recipe I'm using vanilla. And to that we're then going to add in the tin of condensed milk. Give that a good mix together until well combined. Then we're going to pop that into the microwave on high for 2.5 minutes. Take it out and give it a good stir. Then back into the microwave for a final 3.5 minutes. Next we're going to add in the juice of 1 lemon. Give that a good mix until well incorporated through. And then all we need to do is pour that into our base. Give that a little shake. Then we're going to pop that into the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. Once removed from the tin, you are then ready to serve. Deliciously creamy with a lovely unique flavour. With 5 simple ingredients, it's so easy to make, so really hope you give it a go. Thanks again for joining me, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you all next time on Cooking with Karma.